Dr. Ahmad Khan Sahab, welcome to you. So nice of you. I'm honored and humbled. Meanwhile, Khalid Sahab, my elder brother Jalil Farooqi, to whom to take name, Rafa Sahab, my colleague. Amir Aka Sahab, welcome to you. We salute you, your greatness. Now I request another memento to be given by I will request to Mr. Miraj Haidar, who is very student leader also MU and doing lot of things. He is socio-political person, just to come on the dais and join with his father, noble father, Amir Haidar sir, to come here to have one photograph, please. And you should join also, Hassan Kazmi sahab. Sheikh sahab, please come and join. No, just you should get. It will be great honor that you are representing it. One memento for his selfless service in the field of humanity, charitable work and whatnot. He is doing a lot of mushara and all the things. And he is young and promising person. Mr. Haidar is supposed to come and accept the thing from the one memento. I request one memento to be given. Mr. One memento. Order has been little disturbed, I'm sorry. Miss Zareen, I'll say she is like waiting to come here, who make a sensation, and the Comfort Award as we have conferred Razia Sultan Award to him, conferred by this. Please come on here. One memento also to be given. Can we give a memento? Please, Zareen, you should come on the stage. Award to be given by Chief. Yeah, you can have one photograph. You can join with us. And meanwhile, be ready, Mr. Miraj Haidar, Engineer Miraj Haidar, who is socio-political engineer and whatnot. I will request Saeed Bhai, the great stalwart. If anything happening wrong here, I am responsible. If anything good is happening, it is happening from Allah. This project, I feel proud that I have taken loan. So any shortcoming should come to me. I am solely responsible. I have taken the project. So nobody is responsible. No team is there. I am only the one-man army. So anything wrong, just accuse me. If anything good, it is from Allah's part. Salman Bashar. Just I request Mr. Salman Bashar to accept one bouquet on behalf of all of us. He is our old friend of 50 years old, a great son of great father. Mr. Zainul Bashar, who was one of the most premier leader of India subcontinent. We feel proud of him that he is with us. Mr. Salman Bashar. Thank you, Mr. Salman Bashar. Mrs. Firdaus Siddiqui, who is my lady, she refused to accept anything. So thank you very much even for coming. She gave me the condition. We should not acknowledge her. But her contribution is tremendous. She is doing a lot of, I am bound to say a few words within a few seconds. She is doing a lot of things. A great, his father was very great, who is responsible for organizing all Mushara in London, A to Z from 1964 he started. He's the premier. Her daughter is here among us. Although she is not much interested in Mushara, but she can. A salute to you. Sayyid Rafa Sahab, thank you much. Now I very humbly request another memento, Safi Sahab. Anything is not here, Safi Sahab. Nusrat Atiq. Mr. Nusrat Atiq should came from Gorakhpur. I will request Tausif Alam Sahab to present one bouquet to her. And the seat, no necessary for coming to give the bouquet. One photograph. Before I adjourn, there are few names more are missing here. Dr. Naseem Rika. Hassan Kazmi Sahab was here. At least he should accept flower bouquet. At least bouquet should be given. At least go on sitting on the seat. And we are going to listen also the ghazal of Talat Aziz from Harwais, who is having 7.5 million followers. And credit goes, we learn the thing. And since last 30 years, same age, he looks like it. We salute your all the things. I speak again in Urdu. He did not know Urdu because you are director for Sahara. I should talk in Urdu. Hassan Kazmi Sahab लिए मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एक गजल ने जो सेंसेशन किया और उनको अमर कर दिया, अल्लाह ताला तज़ीज़ की आवाज़ में रात को जागना छोड़ दे। तो लिसन फ्रॉम हिम एंड नाउ आई वेरी हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट आफ्टर few minutes just they are joining Naseem Nikah, followed by one very she is reaching Professor Nuzhat Gorakhpuri. She is the doctorate in Sanskrit. She is within few minutes she is reaching there. I was lucky to announce the thing. I mean, Tariq Masood Sahab, I think we missed Tariq Akhtar Kidoi. I didn't know where is he. I was waiting for him. And thank you Khalid Sahab, and to whom to take the name. There are so many people from my hometown, Mallama. I salute them. And Zareen, I am needing your help next round of the thing to bringing the some girls are coming from the college. And now I request to give few bouquet remain left. This the order has been disturbed because this all thing to be bouquet to be presented to Sardar Charan Singh Bashar. There are two Bashar today, and I am Shajar. Salman Bashar and Charan Singh Bashar. Both are facing, and both are the good friend of mine of 30 years. Once again, Sardar Charan Singh Bashar, who is like family to me, he has come all the way. The bouquet should be given to him. He is, and there is a very young student here. I request Mrs. Firdaus Siddiqui just to take care of this girl. Her name is, come on here. She is very promising, and she should be given a bouquet also. What is that? Yeah, Rubina Ayaz. She is, I think she wants to become journalist, so I am needing your help. It is public demand from you, I'm sure you can see. And I again thank my elder brother, Jalil Farooqi, who is here, although he was very busy. Rafat Ali Sahab, Sheikh Tariq Sahab, and main people are still missing. I am quite surprised. Bekhus Sahab, I didn't know where is Bekhus Sahab. Ram Prashad Bekhus Sahab, to come forward at least to be close to us. Ram Prashad Bekhus Sahab, and I am waiting Zadke Faizan and few more people on the rise. Yeah, and now for bouquet more, I request just to assist Brigadier Ali Sahab, who is our patron also and is kind enough to come over here, give one bouquet to him to be given by, yeah, please. One bouquet, that one different. Zareen, I will be needing your help after some time, just to give the thing. Thank you, welcome. Let us have one photograph, please. And Jamal Akhtar and Abdullah, thank you, my brother Rafat, Jalil Bhai, and hard to take the name of our brothers are here. And Sri Rafat Ali, Mrs. Firdaus Siddiqui, you should stay here. The first session is very boring, next will be very learning and exhilarating by Sayyid Naeem Ali Ali Hamad. I am talking about Naeem. If I think there is my time of prayer, I can give the break. Next round will be purely literary round, and I will request Sanjay Mishra Shok Sahab, who can control the people today, talk about only just one or two lines, and all poets should get the chance. So we are going to have second session after prayer. I request one bouquet, Shahid Bhai Shahid, who is also a poet, just to give one bouquet to Dr. Sohail Farooqi, who is senior most worldwide of India. And thank you for it. Yeah. So, one bouquet, if you will have Deepak Kabir, whose light is not going to illuminate and finish. शिकवा है ज़ुल्मत शख्सियत तो कहीं बेहतर था अपने हिस्से की शम्मा जलाते जाते हैं. Distribute from Ahmed Faraz to you. You are trying your shama and really you appreciate. There is some irregular change because the order has been disturbed. People did not include. Dr. Sayyid Naeem Hamid Al Ahmed will be requested to accept one bouquet on behalf of Lucknow International Global Forums, Sir Sayyid Mission, and all that. Please, one memento. How much it is embracing for me. बहुत मुबारक था. Now I request Tausif Alam Khan just to assist me in order of availability of the mementos. The Khusro Award, Dr. Sayyid Naeem Hamid Hamid has tremendous contribution in Persian, and unfortunately वो यहाँ लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी में भी अभी आए थे, प्रिसाइड कर रहे थे. इनके ऊपर वॉल्यूम्स में लिखा जा चुका है. Already 4 MPhil have been awarded and 3 are underway, and he has been awarded doctorate by several universities, and he belongs to the soil Moradabad. He born in Moradabad in 1945, and he is with us. Inshallah, we'll listen from him. He is great grandson of Jagar Moradabadi. He is from Moradabad, not our sister there. I request Dr. Sayyid Muhammad Ali just to accept from chief guest ex-professor Brigadier Ali. We are really humbled by to get the award from Dr. Naeem Hamid Ali sir. There are some mementos confusion with that. Professor Dr. Shakil Kudwai, I would like to acknowledge that he has been made as principal and he is a Nigerian. He is like younger brother. We conferred him one award for his noble work in orthopedic surgery. He has been several times. He did not reach along with Rudavali sir. Professor Dr. Shakil Kudwai had reached. No, he is not here. So sorry, we are pending the thing. Miraj Haider. May I give trouble to Mr. Haider to come on the dais to have photograph. The award should be given in the presence of his father. Yeah, please come on. His social services, socio-political, cultural and whatnot. Mr. Miraj Haider is an icon to run several social movement, I will not say, because this is not a political forum. Yeah, so really so nice of you, sir. Let us have a photograph. Yes, sir, I request Miss Tareen, who is really to come on here to have photograph. I'll have her. She is very talented, dynamic, and we cannot treat her forum here. She is like just a sister, just to accept here one award, the Razia Sultana Award. This is conferred to her, and this is awarded. I think now I'm tired. I think Zareen is here and she is quite dynamic and I am following her. I give the mic and with all mistake I do apologies. Now I will not disturb you again, inshallah. Sanjay Vishal will take over and he will do the thing. Thank you much for being with us. Thank you once again.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आप सभी को हमारे प्रोग्राम जिनकी कोशिशों से ये प्रोग्राम जो है मेरे ख्याल से आज मुकम्मल होने पाया है और जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि इस वक्त हमारे प्रदेश में धारा 144 लगी हुई है तो बहुत मुश्किल से जो है आज ये हम लोग को परमिशन मिलने पाई और जिसके लिए अंकल जो हमारे डॉक्टर वजाहत फारूकी अंकल है बहुत परेशान भी हुए लेकिन उनकी ही कोशिशों से आज ये प्रोग्राम जो है ये पूरा जो है यहाँ पर मुकम्मल होने पाया है तो उनके बारे में कुछ मैं बताना चाहूँगी 30 साल सऊदी अरेबिया में रहे ये एज ए एडवाइजर नेवल फोर्सेस में वहीं पे ही ये रिटायर्ड हुए और बहुत ही सीनियर एलिगेरियन रहे हैं और तकरीबन 38 मुशायरा इंटरनेशनल मुशायरे और सेमिनार इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज करवाए हैं और लखनऊ ग्लोबल कनेक्शन के चेयरमैन है ये तो हम चाहते हैं कि इनको जो है इस प्रोग्राम में एक लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दिया जाए और क्योंकि इनकी मेहनतों से ये प्रोग्राम जो है ये होने पाया है और खिदमत खल्क ये बेहद करते हैं जो बच्चे हैं गरीब बच्चों की तालीमात के लिए बहुत ही खुशहाल रहते हैं ये तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो स्टेज पर आए मेरे प्यारे से अंकल डॉक्टर फारूकी अंकल और उनको ये अवार्ड ब्रिगेडियर अली साहब के हाथों से मैं चाहूंगी कि उनको दिया जाए। तो प्लीज फारूकी अंकल आप आए स्टेज पर और अपना जो अवार्ड है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड, आप लोग प्लीज जोरदार तालियों से उनका इस्तेमाल करें। बहुत मेहनत करी अंकल ने, बड़ा परेशान भी हुए हैं और अभी बिल्कुल इधर आए और उनको ये लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला है। उनकी खिदमतें जो उन्होंने करी हैं, जो उन्होंने उर्दू के लिए जो काम करा है और शायरी और मुशायरा, बहुत शुक्रिया अंकल का कि अंकल की कोशिश ये थी कि 144 धारा लगी हुई थी, बामुश्किल तमाम हमको ये आज और ये जो अवार्ड दिया है ये हमारे बहुत अब्दुल बकी साहब और मैं इनका नाम शायद भूल रही हूँ, तो आसिफ साहब ने ये अवार्ड जो है बहुत ही सरप्राइज ये जो है अवार्ड जो है अनाउंस करवाया है और अंकल से बहुत छुपा के रखा था ये, तो बेहद शुक्रिया आप लोगों का। प्लीज अब आप कंटिन्यू करें।
नेक्स्ट नीचे संजय मिश्रा साहब, संजय साहब
ने भी करा,
संजय मिश्रा साहब,
अच्छा देख
यू हैव टू
हाँ आइए संजय मिश्रा साहब प्लीज। अच्छा तो एक टी ब्रेक कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे इंशाल्लाह मुशायरा।
आगाज हुआ नहीं, 3 मिनट पहले
एक करवा लीजिए।
एक घंटे बाद नहीं
मैं डॉक्टर वजाहत फारूकी साहब से कहूंगी प्लीज तशरीफ लाएं और यहाँ बैठे हो, पहले थोड़ा स्टार्ट करा लें। आइए प्लीज आइए, यहाँ बैठे
शादी करना पड़ेगी।
लिस्ट आप हमें हमने एक शाम शराबों से सजा रखी है, शर्त लोगों ने हवाओं से लगा रखी। हज़रत वाली आसी के शेर के साथ आज की इस महफिल का आगाज मैं करता हूँ। और नईम भाई तहकीक का काम